Okay, so let's continue our discussion of selected problems from Chapter 2 of Tabag's Income Taxation. So let's start with multiple choice 21 dash or 21 and 22. So for multiple choices 21 and 22, we are asked to compute for the passive income, final tax on passive income. On two situations, a resident alien and a non-resident alien engaged in business. Okay, so let's have the resident alien first. Uh, Interest income dun sa kanyang foreign currency deposit no ay 37,500. So kasi yung mga given na amounts ay net of applicable taxes. So, go-gross up mo muna siya bago mo multiply sa tax rate. So, 212,500 over 85% times 15%. So, 37,500. Royalty sa books, 10%. So, 94,500 divided by 90% times 10%. So, 10,500. Dividends on a domestic corporation, 10% final tax. So 144,000 times 90% or divided by 90% times 10%. So 16,000. So you will have a total final tax of 64,000 for number 21. For number 22, so non-resident alien engaged in business siya. So for interest income on FCDU, exempt siya. Okay? Royalty books, ganun din, 10%. No? So, kaya din nung kanina. And dividends, domestic corporation, siya ay non-resident alien engaged. So, ang tax rate niya is 20%. No? So, i-divide mo sa 0.8 times 0.2. So, you'll have 36,000. So, total final tax is 46,500.